All right, let's take a look at a sample Python quiz with graphics. You'll notice we've got a question already sitting here at the bottom of our screen. Let's start the quiz. What is 2 plus 2? It equals 4. Press enter. We get a green check mark. We did it right. Let's go to our next question. What do we prefer, PB&J or Hot Pockets? I'm going to go for Hot Pockets. Press number 2. Ooh, and I got a red X. I'm afraid not. Where was Mr. Milstead born? In the state of Montana. Press enter. We get a green check mark. So when you set up your own quiz, you'll want to make custom graphics that don't match mine. So I would like you to invent something else other than the green check mark or the red X. Smiley face, sad face, whatever graphics you think would best indicate that the answer was correct or incorrect. Check out the other videos for more assistance with this program. Thanks.